Welcome guys. Let's do D-Race token technical analysis and price prediction. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Current rank of D-Race token is 433 and price of D-Race token is $2.68 right now. Market cap of D-Race token is $104 million. Fully diluted market cap of D-Race token is $283 million. And 24-hour trading volume of this token is $4.9 million. Circulating supply of the D-Race token is 38 million and total supply of D-Race token is just 120 million only. It is gaming token and it has huge potential. It is low cap gem. All-time high of this token was on November 25, 2021 about 2 months ago and price was $8.26. All-time low of this token was on September 3rd, 2021 about 4 months ago and price was just 46 cents. D-Race return on investment is 4,624%, which is very huge, and it is available on these exchanges: Gate.io, Uniswap, Pancake, Crypto.com, LBank. And if you want to buy this token on Gate.io, just go to in this video's description where you can get this link. This is Gate.io link. Click on this link and register your account. After registration, you have to deposit. After deposit, you can claim $100 bonus, which is absolutely free after deposit. You can also grab $9,280 bonuses of these exchanges. Just click on these links and register your accounts. After registration, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim these bonuses and these bonuses are tradable. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you website. This is D-Race website and it is play to earn NFT horse racing game, and D-Race is a play to earn NFT horse racing metaverse where you can participate in horse races, breed NFT horses with unique characteristics, build your own NFT, and this is gaming token, and that is why this is very huge. I think future, very bright future. I think so. Join D-Race horse racing metaverse. Own a racehorse, hold D-Race tokens, and race. These are three simple steps to play these to participate to play in this game. And let me please show you first chart. D-Race is currently is at $2.78 right now, and these blue lines are horizontal resistances lines, and this yellow line is main trend line, and major support line is at $2.24 right now. Once it break this zone, $2.91 price area, next target is $3.35 price area, after that $4.78 price area, and $5.35 price area. Note down these levels. These are levels for trading, but for this it must have to break this area. This area is very important to break. Once it break this area, $2.90 price area, and close daily candle above this area, in that case price will move towards upside. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Daily EMA ribbon is very strong and candles are below from this EMA ribbon, and now this EMA ribbon is turned into resistance, and it is strong resistance. Candles have to break this area. Candles have to break this area to $3.94 price area. After that, candles will break this EMA ribbon and new upside rally will begin after this. Here you can see candle break this towards upside, and after that we saw a up rally of 220% approximately. And here you can see candles break this towards downside, and currently we see a dump of 46%. That is why this EMA ribbon is very important to break. Once it break this $3.94 price area, after that $4.78 is our target, $5.35 is our target, $6.19 is our target. And let me please hide this, and let me please show you next indicator, which is MACD. MACD crossover was towards downside, and red towers, no towers are changing their color, and crossover, I think, towards upside will begin to happen, and after that price will boost. We have to wait for this crossover. Once this daily MACD crossover towards upside happen, after that huge upside rally I think will start very soon after that. Let me please show you CPR indicator. Let me please arrange this, and let me please do this. These green lines are main monthly CPR areas, and these red lines are bearish targets. Currently it hit first bearish target, which is $2.40 price area. Now I think this area is turned as a support. After that I think price have to hit this area, which is $4.05 price area, and after that maybe it will face some resistance after hitting this area. Once candle closing above this area, these areas, and once candle closing above this $5.04 price area, price will ready to break these all resistances, and these lines are our next targets. And let me please mark label on it. 5.67 monthly CPR bullish target, monthly CPR bullish target 2, and monthly CPR bullish target 3. But for these all movements it have to close daily candle above $5 price area. If this happen, then maybe price can go up to $5.67, maybe $7.72, maybe $8.94. These are monthly CPR targets. Currently candles hit this area, monthly bearish level, which is 2.737, and after that next is 1.29, this area. We have to watch this area very carefully. All eyes are on this level. Once daily candle closing above $5 price area, it will hit these targets. Let me please hide this EMA ribbon, and let me please delete all these things, and let me please do this. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, and let me please do this. Now let me please show you, this is complete chart. Please note down this chart. These white lines are support lines, and these blue lines are horizontal resistances, as well as these are our targets. Let me please do this. I have to calculate from top to bottom. Fib retracement tool. Here you can see, let me please arrange this. Let me please do this. Here you can see candle break this 0.61 fib level, which was $3.22 price area. Next zone is this area, 1.77 fib level, and after that $0.91 price area, which is 0.88 fib level. And once candles break this 0.61 golden pocket, which is at $3.22 price area, next price area is 0.5 fib level, which is $4.24 price area, this area, and after that 0.38 fib level, which is $5.26 price area, and after that this area, which is 0.23, and it is 6.52 fib level. And currently it is showing a bearish pattern, which is called head and shoulder pattern, but I don't think it is a perfect head and shoulder. I think it have to hold this area, $2.24, maybe $1.80. These two areas are very, very important to hold. Once D-race hold these areas, in that case price is ready to hit these all are coming targets. And if price rejected from this zone, maybe price can go down to $75, maybe $1 price area. We have to watch this. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now. And if you want to buy this token on Gate.io, just go to in this video's description or comment section where you can find this link. Click on this link and register your Gate.io account. After registration, after first deposit, you can claim $100 bonus, which is absolutely free. You can also claim $9,280 bonuses of these exchanges. Only condition is that you have to deposit to claim these bonuses. These bonuses are claimable and tradable. Just trade with these bonuses only, put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. You can trade with $4,100 in Bybit, absolutely free. You can trade with $4,100 in Freemax, absolutely free. And you can also trade with $710 bonus in Binance Exchange. Thanks for the watching and always keep supporting me. Take care.